Welcome to Math and Science. I'm an AP Biology teacher in my 28th year as a professional educator. I'm here to convince you, with a little help from my friends, to take AP Bio. AP Bio is a wonderful, engaging, hands-on, labs-on class focused on understanding the world around us and within us. In AP Bio, we study what it means to be alive. It's a class where curious and motivated students come together to explore big ideas and meaningful questions. In AP Bio, you'll be surrounded by fun, cool, cooperative, and hardworking students.
I think we're going to do a retake.
AP Bio is a place where our goal is to learn how to learn while exploring the joyfully intricate world of biology. AP Biology is not about memorizing a textbook and then regurgitating it on a test. It's not a lecture-only class where you sit and take notes every day. It's not only for students who want to go into science or medicine.
AP Bio is a difficult course. It's not just easy fly-by course, but at the same time, I feel like it's meant for everybody. Something that everybody can be included in for how vast it is and the amount of things that you do learn in the class.
I took AP Bio years ago, and it remains my single favorite class, whether in high school or college. I say that because bio is challenging in the best of ways. It really challenges you to think in new ways, and it's a subject that's just a ton of fun.
AP Biology is dynamic and cutting edge. It's a class where you learn by doing science. You'll run experiments, analyze real data, and work through problems the way real scientists do.
One of my favorite moments from AP Bio was the photosynthesis lab. And so when we put these discs of leaves in water, they would sink. And then what we did was we put some light above it, and when the light hit the leaves would spring up and get pumped up by the oxygen it was making. And that was a really cool way to literally see what photosynthesis is doing.
It's hands-on, lab-based, phenomena-based, sometimes inquiry-based.
One of my favorite AP Bio labs was the enzyme catalase experiment with hydrogen peroxide. Seeing enzymes break down peroxide in real time helped me understand kinetics, pH, and temperature. It was messy in the best way, and it made the unit actually make sense.
The class is structured, it's rewarding, supported, and it's quite manageable. I like to think about it like this. AP Bio students should have two kinds of hearts. One, meaning that they're interested and curious, that they love biology and learning, like love of the game. And the other heart, symbolizing effort, that they're willing to work hard and challenge themselves.
My high school AP Biology course has served as the foundation for many of my passions today, whether that's on a day-to-day basis as a heart surgeon or outside of work as an outdoor enthusiast. I can credit AP Biology for giving me an interest to better understand the world around me and, hopefully, in turn, make it a better place.
My career, passions, and core values can all be traced back to my high school AP Bio course. It helped uncover the intricacies woven between humanity and the environment and spark curiosities I never knew existed.
AP Biology covers 8 units. It starts with the chemistry of life, or biochem. Then we're into cell structure and function, cell energetics, cell communication and heredity, gene expression and regulation, evolution, and ecology. Now, our day-to-day schedule, our class flow, looks something like this. You'll see the class is designed for students to learn by doing science. I'll show you one lesson from each of our units, right? And these are displayed each day on the board when students come in. You can see that depending on the day, we're doing labs discussing biological phenomena, solving problems, working on posters and projects, building molecules, reading, writing, playing games, engaging with guest speakers, graphing, and even these days, competing in March Mammal Madness. The very beginning of class also features students' news.
One of my favorite parts of AP Bio was the daily news presentations. Every day one person would share a new science news and we would learn about it that day. It It helped me stay curious about new biology news, and that was fun.
How about a few other things that make AP Biology cool? We do field trips, both outside in our local biodiversity hotspots and inside with some of the world's leading experts coming in to chat with us about their areas of expertise.
One of my favorite parts of AP Bio was all the guest speakers we had in class. It was fun to learn from some of the best scientists from all over the world and their different researches from different parts of the globe in their areas of specialization.
And hope. And I don't mean like blind optimism. I mean just earned hope, that there's a lot of reasons to be hopeful.
I did step on an eyelash viper one time while I was climbing a tree in Costa Rica.
Yeah, I worked with Mr. Madden a long time ago. Not just on AP Bio, but also back when he had Aquaponics Club. If you remember those days back in Chicago.
I do.
Start writing. Don't stop. I mean, don't wait. Just start.
I mean, in a rainforest, there's all kinds of things that bite you and can be dangerous.
And there's a little bit of nectar on the lip on the front of the plant. You can see it kind of looks sticky. It is a little bit sticky. That attracts ants.
But scallops in general, they have up to 40 eyes, and that is unique among other bivalves because they're the only bivalve that actually has eyes, so only shellfish that has eyes.
None of these animals inherited that venom from a common ancestor. They all independently evolved that venom on their different lineages.
Research in obesity and diabetes and multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's, you name it, we've probably been involved in some way.
You got to find sources of hope. You got to find inspiration.
That was one moment where I thought I might never come back.
We do righteous labs. And we do fascinating projects. Students take AP Bio for all sorts of reasons. Some want to earn college credit. This can save them valuable time and money once you get into college. AP Bio helps prepare for college-level science. And don't forget college-level non-science classes too.
Not only that, it's also helped a lot in my personal life. Understanding a lot of things that the doctor may talk about, especially in doctor's appointments and things like that, has helped a lot, especially from the past, not being able to really understand and having to go through my mom or my parents to maybe understand something that the doctor might have said.
Some students are interested in a career in science, medicine, health, or research.
AP Bio was one of my most memorable classes in high school. The course material was interesting, and lab time was so engaging, giving me and my lab mates firsthand experience in troubleshooting experiments and synthesizing findings in a cohesive way.
And many are curious and want to take a class that's interesting and fun and helps them develop skills to help analyze data, think critically, write clearly, and build science literacy.
While my path led me to an undergrad biology major and ultimately a career in medicine, the values from that class span beyond a STEM career.
AP Bio is an engaging, inspiring class focused on learning about our world and fostering awe. It's built for curious and motivated students, taught by teachers who love biology and learning.
Not only that, but I also look at a lot of the things and how I view the world now. Just walking outside, I view trees and plants and things like that way differently, including my own human body. Looking at it very differently is something that I can't even describe, So it's helped me a lot, and I don't know where I would be without AP Bio.
I absolutely love this class, and I think you will too. Please let me know if you have any thoughts or questions. I hope you'll consider giving it a shot. Take care, everybody.